I've got PHILIPS X818 and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first let's open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *06#. And this one will provide you with both IMEI numbers assigned to your Philips. As you can see here they are. Click on OK to go back, and now you will open both IMEI numbers and also serial number through the settings. So at first you have to find the settings, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, open About Phone, go to Status, and now under IMEI information you will be able to come along with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device, and then a bit lower you can read serial number. And that would be all. This is how you can locate both IMEI and serial number assigned to your device, to your Philips. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.